All right. What is up, everybody? What is up? Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Aquata, Rave, Nikita, how we doing? How we doing? 5 likes already. Let's go. Let's go. Good morning, Rave. How you doing? Nikita, what is up? God bless. God bless you. Not much is up. All right. What is up, everybody? What is up? Welcome. Okay. Anyways, that's the lag time apparently. So there's that. Anyways, hey Porky, what's up? Happy Wednesday, my dude. Happy Wednesday, Scott. Crazy night open so long and went down 130 right away. Left it open, took 75% profits, and now 242. Hopefully I didn't take profits too early, but it was right below the demand line. You probably took it too early. I'm gonna tell you that right now. You probably took it too early, Rich. But we're gonna dive into the charts and find out. Hopefully somebody requests that, because that is not on the list of things I wanted to look at. God bless for sure, right? All right. Let's start diving into this news. So, number one cryptocurrency to buy right now. Hint, it's not Bitcoin. Bruh, how the fuck does a military helicopter collide with a commercial flight? Hold on, what? I didn't even hear about that. That's crazy. Hey, Echelon Show, how you doing? Let's check Soul. We'll check it out. We'll get there. Soul. Oh boy, Jin, I also closed your long too early, too scared from the last 2 days. Remember, that's what they want you to be, is scared. Just keep that in mind. Yes, we still could see some more volatility coming into Friday. So I am cautiously optimistic. However, man, February's looking good. February's looking good. So, anyways, starting off with the news. There's not much news as of articles today. There was a ton of news all over X, which, if you guys follow me on TikTok and or on X, actually on here, because I put them into shorts, you guys are going to be able to see all of that information as I start posting these videos like word vomit. So yeah, I'm just posting up all the news that I see, and it is wild. It is absolutely wild. They be stop loss hunting on me. They really do all the time. Yep, commercial flight from Kansas flying into DC collided with a commercial. Oh my goodness, an hour ago? That's really sad. Colliding with a helicopter. That's really sad. That's crazy. I didn't hear about that at all. Dang. That's tough. Porky to 10K by 2025. We're already in 2025. I didn't get there. How you doing, Eric? How's it going? How's it going? All right, so right now looking at this, I really like news shorts you have been doing. I'm glad you like it. It seems like there's a very small community of people who do like it. Maybe that'll grow over time as I keep doing it. Seems like TikTok likes it way better. So I'm going to keep doing it because my TikTok followers is extraordinarily low. You meant 26. Yeah, by 2026. Oh boy. But yeah, my TikTok following right now, we're sitting at like 153. It's Bush League out here. It's terrible. So I gotta do better. I gotta do better for you guys. That's what I gotta do. What up, Flounder community? What's up, Dr. Techno? How you doing? Porky looking fresh with the cut. Thank you very much. I do it myself. I do it myself every time. Oh man, that's funny. I literally have a post right now on TikTok. It has more likes than I have followers. It's a gosh darn shame, but is what it is. Anyways, it's under Porky Flounder Trades. Don't get mixed up with the Porky Flounder 65 one. That's just me talking shit all the time and reacting to things. I don't know if you want to see that side. TikTok needs that background techno playing. Oh boy, really draws them in. I guess so. Could you look at CRO? Sure, we'll look at CRO. It's one of the coins I've been holding in entirety and still not where. Oh boy, yeah, we'll check out CRO. We'll throw it into the list. CRO. Understand, we got to get through the news. We also got to get through the coins I want to look at. So I'm going to tell you right now, the coins I want to look at, they're going to be Bitcoin, Move, WIF, Degen, Mover, XRP, XLM, HBAR, ADA, and Algo. Hopefully you guys like the lineup for tonight, and then we're going to go from there. The reason why I put Mover in there, I posted it in Discord. I think it just broke out, so it still has some headwinds ahead, but it could see more downside. So even though I'm feeling bullish today, but Mover could look terrible, and I'm going to show you why. I always emote the best. Oh, that's funny. Emote the beat? That's great. Lightly touch the like button early tonight, chat. Yeah, do that. Alright, so now I'm going to start covering the news. Can we check out Kava and Iotix? Sure. Kava... Iotix. Alright, so considering I haven't been able to afford Hooked on Phonics yet, bear with me through the news. I'm hoping for the best, but you know, the community hasn't supported the Hooked on Phonics, and it is what it is. Okay, do the news. I'm doing the news. Alright, so number one cryptocurrency to buy right now. Hint, it's not Bitcoin. It's less than a month into the new year, and already a number of top altcoins are starting to pull away from market benchmark Bitcoin. While Bitcoin is up 15% for the year. Really? Already? That's kind of crazy. Other cryptocurrencies are up 30, 40, or even 50%. The one cryptocurrency on radar right now is Solana. Ooh, eat your heart out, XRP. Oh no! We'll check out Hype for you. I got you. Hype. So, Solana right now, the one cryptocurrency on the radar is Solana, which jumped more than 50% between January 12th and January 17th, within 5 days. Damn. All right. There are several catalysts for Solana in 2025, and all of them are setting up this cryptocurrency for rapid growth over the coming years. The next Ethereum, first and most importantly, Solana has emerged as the premier blockchain challenger to Ethereum. Solana is a smart contract blockchain platform, and it seems it can do anything Ethereum can do. It also means Solana has a thriving blockchain ecosystem in areas ranging from decentralized finance and blockchain gaming. So, yeah, eat your damn heart out, XRP. New spot ETFs, so there are a bunch of companies trying to get some spot ETFs for this thing, but there's another big factor Solana's in favor. Relatively high probability of a new spot Solana exchange traded fund. So think back to the arrival of the spot Bitcoin ETFs last January and how they resulted in tens of billions of dollars flowing into Bitcoin, thereby pushing up the price. All told, more than 100 billion has now flowed into the spot Bitcoin ETFs. So this is one thing I do disagree with this article. They're basically trying to compare it to Bitcoin. They need to be comparing it to Ethereum again. So Ethereum, all you really saw when the ETFs came out for Ethereum was sell pressure. Like, it just went super stagnant. Noted, much larger market cap, but super stagnant. So it didn't even have the same outcome that they were thinking. But they're trying to compare this to Bitcoin. I kind of disagree. But also, another thing Solana does have over Ethereum is this mobile crypto strategy. Solana also has something that no other top layer 1 blockchain network has, a mobile crypto strategy. Solana launched the crypto-friendly Saga smartphone in 2023 and is following that up with lower cost Seeker smartphone in 2025. They're coming out with another phone? Okay, this is news to me. I didn't know they were coming out with another phone. Some people want to carry their crypto with them wherever they go, and the easiest way to do that is with a mobile device optimized for crypto. I did not realize they were getting a brand new smartphone, so this is quite interesting. Quite interesting. Of course, they have the meme coins. How high can it go? I still personally think this thing can get up to anywhere between like 2 to 3,000 this bull run, and this thing is trying to shit on it right now. That would suggest a target price of 550. Ugh. Such small minds here. Currently, Ethereum has a market cap of 400 billion, while Solana has a market cap of 125 billion. So if Solana does eventually close the gap between Ethereum, we're talking about the potential of 275 billion in market cap based on Solana's current price, approximately $250. That would suggest 550. So these people distinctively don't know what happens during bull runs. They really don't. But anyways, then they talk about, oh, should you invest 1,000 right now and whatnot. We're going to go into the TA because somebody did request this, so we will get into the TA with that. But I did find this to be a very interesting article. Let's move along. So the next article here is crypto.com to delist Tether by January 31st. Which mean, what does it mean for USDT? Okay, so the European crypto scene is changing fast, and Tether is in trouble. Crypto.com has announced it will remove USDT from the platform on the 31st. This follows Coinbase's decision to drop Tether last year. The future of this 138 billion USDT in the EU is uncertain, and possibility of the other regions delisting is spreading like fire, all because the strict new rules under the EU. Okay, so this is because of the EU's new nonsense where USDC was compliant and the euro digital dollar was compliant, but all USDT has to do is file some paperwork, go through another audit. It's not really that big of a deal, in my opinion, but whatever. NBD, what is up? Welcome in. How you doing? But yeah, so this is just the EU right now, but all the US exchanges are starting to delist USDT. However, they still don't have more volume than Binance, and Binance is not getting rid of it. Most other exchanges are not getting rid of it, so at this moment in time, I wouldn't worry too much about USDT, especially if it's like, oh no, crypto.com, because, you know, they have such great trading volume. No one really cares. no one actually cares. But, yeah, so this is literally just because of a new piece of paper USDT needs to file in the EU. Anyways, let's cover some of the greatest news out there before we jump into some TA. This is on CNN Business, so you know this is going to be the best news possible. Let's have some fun with this. Trump's meme coin is a reminder of crypto's dumbest use case. I'm really glad this analyst, Allison Morrow, was really excited while writing this article. Let's find out what she said. New York CNN. President Donald Trump promised crypto investors he'd usher in an era of legitimacy for the industry that's long been regulated to the financial wilderness. Dismissed by some mainstream investors as a highly speculative bet at best, or an elaborate Ponzi scheme at worst. Oh man, this lady, she's out here. Anyways, but days before his inauguration, Trump shocked many of his crypto supporters by peddling a digital token known as a meme coin, a functionally worthless asset that trades on hype and are a go-to vehicle for scams known as rug pulls. Jesus. To be clear, not all meme coins are scams, and the Trump and Meliana coins appear to have safeguards built in to prevent a rug pull. Specifically, the Trump Coins website says its majority holders are subject to 3-year unlock schedule, so they can't sell at all at once. Oh, so they can't sell it all at once. But even without selling a single token, the Trump organization had raked in an estimated $58 million in a single day in trading fees alone, according to the crypto researcher and former Coinbase executive Connor Grogan. They pulled in 58 million. That's pretty good. Good for them. Good for them. On the fees, not bad. And a couple of the early investors, they're the ones who started selling. That's not bad. That's not that bad. Anyways, so meme coins represent the absurd, at times fraudulent side of crypto that is increasingly wealthy proponents of the widely traded Bitcoin and Ether would like to move past. So that's good. Anyways. Using that to buy ETH, smart. It was smart on their part. It was. Anyways, I'm not going to read too much more of this. They're pretty much just talking about meme coins, the dangers of it, and how terrible they are, and whatever. It's fine. That's just some CNN news. Let's get into the TA. Let's dive right on in, because Bitcoin's doing something fantastic. Right now, Bitcoin is broken out of its demand line and overhead resistance. This is absolutely gorgeous. On the 4-hour, you are still not overbought. You are hanging out on a confirmed candle close above resistance. This is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. So, it is completely in play right now for Bitcoin to rally up to $121,990,000. So Bitcoin right now is looking pretty gosh darn good in my opinion. Let's check out the heat map. Let's get an idea of where the longs and the shorts are. Oh god. On your daily, 103,615. You have a stockpile of longs sitting right there. $45 million worth, but it does look like they're aiming at these shorts right now. So they already took out 40 million in shorts, and it looks like they're going for the 53 million in shorts, sitting at $105,646. So 53 million could be getting liquidated as soon as tonight. Yikes. I mean, they took out all the longs, might as well start taking out those shorts, right? Price will move to liquidity, and it's looking like the largest amount of liquidity will come once they get the price all the way up to $107,457. That will be $99 million worth of shorts that are just going to get wiped out. Not to mention all the others before that. So, not bad. As the week starts coming to a close, this is looking promising. Looking promising. Almost snake-like. Happy Lunar New Year, everybody. This is the year of the snake. Just so you all know. That was a reference at the Lunar New Year. But yeah, you got 99 million right there, 98 million right there. Oh my god, there's so much money. Holy crap. Yeah, there's a lot of shorts that could get wrecked as soon as tonight because they're not noticing we just broke out of resistance. Oh my Lanta. Expect some wild price movements going into Friday. It is the last Friday of the month, and it is nearly the last day. I forgot there's 31 days in this month, but Saturday's the last day. So come Sunday for the weekly candle close, I am expecting price movement to the upside, and it could be amazing. Anyways, that is the 4-hour time frame. Let's check your daily real fast. Daily on Bitcoin looks absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. So I could see this playing out, getting all the way up to $121,990. All right, let's start diving into the rest of this list real quick, and then we will go into Hype, Sol, CRO, Kava, and IOTX, because those are all the requests so far. I thought I did good sell at resistance, right? You do more. I mean, yes, you did do a good thing with doing that. You sell at resistance, buy at support, but you always want that impulse up on a breakout. You always want that. So, you didn't do bad. You didn't do bad. But that impulse, that's really what you want. That's really what you want. That's why I always say it's like that second move. If you can master finding that second move. So you see like this one, like on Bitcoin. This was your first leg up. You consolidated. You're breaking out right now. You're looking for that second leg up. That's what you're looking for. So entering down here so that you can grab this entire leg up, that's what you want. Yeah, Bitcoin and Ethereum are just boring stable coins. They will be left behind. What? I could see that with Ethereum. That's fine. Bitcoin getting left behind? I am unsure, Clint. Those are some bold words. Because if Bitcoin falls 5%, your favorite altcoin will get devastated. I don't understand that way of thinking. I'm confused. But okay. Alright. Sure. Not sure on the upside. Takes truckloads of market buys to break 108K. A little too much risk at the top, 5%. That's true. There's a lot of risk up there. Oh man, Clint. I hear it every bull run. I'm gonna guess. I have a thought in my head. I'm gonna write it down right now. What you think is gonna flip it, and then I'm gonna show you after you say it. So what do you think is going to flip Bitcoin? Clint, what do you think is going to flip it? It's not true at all. What's going to flip Bitcoin, Clint? I have a feeling of what you're going to say it is. When you call the local tops, what kind of time frame are you looking? Like hours, days, or weeks? You normally look at the day or the week. USA coin? What? What's USA coin? What is that? Even World Liberty Financial didn't call it that. Fart coin. Okay. He's right. Are we going to change the name of Bitcoin? Is that what we're going to do? We're going to change it to that? It hasn't dropped yet. Okay. All I'm saying is watch. All right, we will watch, Clint. We will watch. But as of right now, for anything to flip Bitcoin, understand what market cap is gonna have to do, because if we look at Bitcoin's market cap, it is currently sitting at $2 trillion. The closest one behind it, 386 billion. Trump is nothing. All what? World Financial, nothing? Okay, alright. World Financial is just, it's just gathering up a basket of other crypto, but okay. It's a big, thick boy. Nobody remembers Namecoin or Peercoin. That's true, we don't. I'll put $20 on it. Young Scarface, yeah, if USA coin comes out, we'll put $20 on it. All of us, collectively. We'll be the first investors. We'll do it. I missed something here. Hold on. Scott, so Scott, when I call local tops, I'm looking at the daily and the weekly. Those are the local tops. They're the tops that are closest. Noted. If you're trading and it's going down and whatnot, you could say local tops are like on the 1 hour chart. So it's kind of either or. I was wrong, guys. I was wrong. I thought he was gonna say XRP. I wrote it down. XRP. I thought he was gonna say it. I was wrong. Damn. You got me, Clint. You got me. Shit. I kind of feel bad I missed. Damn. It's always XRP Army who says it's going to be XRP. It's always them. God. USA coin will be the only coin? Do you know that? Okay. Did someone say new Solana phone? Yes. So they're going to be making a brand new Solana phone. Absolutely insane. We were all thinking it. That's true, Scott. We all were thinking it. All right, so let's get into the next one. This is the trade I'm currently in. So move is the trade I'm currently in. I'm on a 15x long on this bad boy, and let's go into our 1 hour so you can see what I see. So right now we had this beautiful breakout to the upside. We had a low, higher low, downtrend. We have broken the downtrend. First target we're looking at is getting up to $1.01. So it's a 26% move to the upside. Can we do XRP? I hate it, but you bought a bag. Nikita, don't you worry. Yes, it is on the list. I knew we were going to get somebody asking for it, so I already put it on the list. USA coin was a rug during Trump coin. Was it really? It was already a rug? Damn, that's terrible. Noted. Longer time frame. I'm looking for move to get all the way up to $2.28. So it is approximately 182% upside. I'm already in on the trade, and it's moving in the right direction. So that's kind of the nice thing. There's no worries even on the 15 minute, so I can actually stay in this thing all night. As long as we don't have some weird crash in the middle of the night, we should be okay. But we are currently on a confirmed breakout, and we have a back test, which is really nice. I pull out of Meliana, made good money. Very nice, Boyd. Very nice. We'll love to hear that. Moving along, we got Whiff. So let's check in on our little dog wearing a hat. So checking out Whiff. Whiff holding strong, looking good. The only downside here is that you made that slightly lower low, but you do have bullish divergence on the 15. Let's go ahead and check the 1 hour. 1 hour time frame, you don't technically have bullish divergence, but this is just bullish consolidation. So it doesn't look bad, but it could look better. Currently, based off the falling wedge, you are looking to get up somewhere around this $1.61 level, and it has been moving pretty darn good. But as the next trade setup here, if you wanted to get in on a nice little scalp, you're looking for Whiff to do something like this, which lines up nearly perfectly with that move. So right now for Whiff, we're looking at 33% more upside. So this is looking pretty gosh darn good because you also broke out of your recent downtrend. Oh, did you? No, you didn't. Almost. You tried. You tried so hard. You came so far. If you fall down, in the end, it won't even matter. But still, pay attention. You could fall all the way down to $1.07 once again as a formal backtest and a higher low. So keep that in mind with Whiff. But right now, it does look like bullish consolidation. So Whiff doesn't look too terrible. Looking all right. Let's go ahead and check out DGen next. So DGen knew that I was going to get it from somewhere. And when DZ shows up, I'm going to tell him, hey, check out 31 minutes and 17 seconds. That's where you want it. That's where you want it, buddy. But looking at the daily time frame here, you can see this level is a major level of support from back over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dying. Where Litecoin stops. We will check out. We will check it out. LTC. Got you covered. Also, by the way, guys, how did you like how ChatGPT did the artwork today? I felt like it was pretty solid, but you guys can tell me your opinions in the comments. So on DGen, what we are looking at right now is this falling wedge pattern, which is a beautiful pattern. What we would like to see is a nice breakout and a back test. If we get that back test, this is going to be the most beautiful thing ever. 114% move to the upside. JD, what is up? How you doing? It's XRP. Wait. Oh, man, you were late. There's no way my lag time's that late. It's not. Wow. Anyways, I got to check out what are we doing on these likes, people? What are we doing on these likes? We got 18 likes, 35 viewers. If you guys could help me out, gently touch that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Anyways, so degen right now, it is set up very well in this falling wedge pattern. You already had the fake out to the downside. You're holding support. Just stay above support. Vine got you. Vine. I got you covered, Boyd. All right, so we stay above this level of support, we're doing good. We could see 114% move to the upside and getting degen back up to 1264, which would be really nice. Then, of course, we'll be looking for a higher low and so on and so forth toward the sunset. Anyways, moving along, we got Mover. So this one I did post in the Discord, but it does look like we're already getting that breakout. Anyways, going into our 1 hour time frame, this is where I was looking at it. Rich, almost 1.2k subs. We're almost there. We are almost there. So looking at Mover here, we're trying to break out of this downtrend right now. We did have, no we didn't. There was no bullish divergence. This is why I brought this up to the chat. That on the 1 hour, no bullish divergence, which basically means we just have bearish consolidation. This is not a good look for Mover. If there is any downside, if you cannot break this downtrend, if anything goes wrong, you could see this thing fall another 23%. So keep that in mind. This thing could get devastated. Adam, close to breakout. JD, are you sure? Nice. Do you want us to look at it? Be pro. And Sushi, I got you covered. Dr. Techno, I'll write it down just in case he says yes. Adam. Alright, so right now, Mover, it is in danger. Because also, even if you get a move to the upside, you have another demand line to worry about. So, let's see what happens on Mover. But it does look a little bit dangerous where it's sitting. I would like it much better, anywhere between $7.17 or even as low as $6.10. That would probably be the ideal place I would want to get into Mover. Yeah, just based off the chart, because you did have a downtrend, you touched it once, you are likely to touch it again. Thanks, bruh. No problem. No problem at all. Moving along, we got XRP. XRP. So XRP, I knew this one was going to get asked for, so let's take a look at it. You did an absolute amazing job with the V-shaped recovery, holding above $2.91. Great work to the XRP army. However, it does look like this downtrend is still in play. So XRP, you got some work to do. The army needs to step up. They need to step up. You're still in this rising wedge pattern. What is a likely scenario to happen? You see it come up, touch resistance at $3.58, even if we're bullish, and then we would be looking for the bearish divergence to then play out. What do I mean by the bearish divergence? I mean on the daily, you have massive bearish divergence here. They have been selling and taking profits, while the price went a little bit higher. So you could see this thing just make its third touch, and then roll on over. So, that's something we will be keeping our eyes on, seeing what develops, or even if it breaks to the upside. It's a possibility, but this is a bearish pattern. And as we can tell from NVIDIA, bearish patterns like to play out. Alright, moving along, we got XLM. So XLM, it is the little sister of XRP. Looks like the downside is not happening. We can look at this as a falling wedge pattern. Great. But we do have a target to the upside based off this price action right here. So we could see this thing mosey right, actually from this price action here. Holy shit. Wait. There we go. So we would move that right up here. We would get this out of the way because it doesn't matter anymore. Get this out of the way as well because that doesn't matter. XLM, you are set up for, wow, 57% upside. Damn. XLM is set up for a lot of upside if it can maintain above 39.71. That is beautiful. Your daily has plenty of room to do it. Checking out the 4 hour time frame, 4 hour looking solid, but There's no bullish divergence. That's kind of a sad part. However, nope, it's lower. Too bad. RSR, please. We will check out some RSR for you. Ramzan, how are you doing today? I'm sorry if I messed up your name. My bad. My bad, brother. I don't know how to read. Is what it is. Now, the positive here, from this low back here on the 4-hour time frame, you have a lower relative strength up here. Hidden bullish divergence could have just formed for XLM. Checking out your daily time frame, you had right here, this low was lower than this low. Too bad. You only have it on the 4-hour. Too bad. Anyways, we will see if XLM can do it. We will see. But right now it is technically set up for 57% upside. Looking solid. H-bar is next. H-bar on the breakout. 60% upside is what I was calling for the other day. Looks like you're on the way, buddy. You're on the way for your second leg up after the breakout. Beautiful. Price target right now for H-bar is $49.55. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Moving right along, we got ADA. ADA Cardano, which apparently has really bullish news that I haven't looked into yet because I'm terrible at research. Anyways, you're still in this downtrend. We're waiting for a breakout, but the longer you stay above this level at 86.47, it's kind of the better because people just aren't selling this thing off, are they? They're doing a real bad job of selling off. And as your second leg up, you could be looking at $1.95 for ADA. ADA is still just consolidating. Go figure, it didn't move. You know, just oh, what is this? I don't need that. All right, last one I want to look at is Algorand. So Algo, right here, Algo looking pretty decent, looking just like XLM. So we're gonna wait and see. As long as you can stay above 32.80, then it is totally in play for you to be able to see crazy upside, like 90 cents. So we're just gonna have to wait and see how that goes. But also in the shorter term, we could be seeing 61% upside, finding resistance at 62.81. So those are all the coins that I wanted to look at. Now let's get into the requests, starting out with Hype. Hype. All right, checking. Oh shit, get hyped. You still have a price target up here as your golden retrace, looking for 29.37. Absolutely beautiful. You are on the move, but this could be a continuation to the upside where you would then have to look at much higher prices. Well, let's get rid of this real quick because we already know what it is. Put this up here. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh my Lanta. So you got two different targets right now. That golden retrace, or you could do 140% to the upside. Wild. Wild. Looking crazy. These brand new coins, oh man, they can go wild. They can go absolutely wild. I don't really have to do too much more TA on this because all you have to do is stay above 23.27.6 and you're looking pretty. Looking pretty. Just pay attention to this level at 29.37. Pay attention to that level. And yeah, otherwise enjoy the upside move. Looks absolutely crazy. Hype a meme? I don't know if it's a meme or not. I have no idea. Alright, we're checking out Vine. Who would have thought Vines would be coming back? But we got Vine coin. Oh, I think I looked at this on a different exchange. There it is. There it is. Alright, let's clean this up. I don't even know what all these things were. So, we're going to put this right here. And we're going to put this right here. Then we're going to put this right up there. That's what we're going to do. Right, just all that. Right as rain. Looking just fine. Alright. 4-hour time frame. That doesn't look good. That looks like you're about to go lower. That doesn't look good at all. Oh no. So, decisions will have to be made. Either this thing is going to fall down and you're going to find 17.26, or you're going to start moving up. Your 4-hour does not look great. Your 1-hour looks even worse. Terrible. 140% on hype sounds good. I like it. Hey, just saying what the possibility is. What the possibility is. You didn't quite get to that bearish 5-0, but you did get to the 618. Let's see what the 15's telling us. Yikes. 15 doesn't like this. Oh, slightly lower, falling. Oh, it's a DEX hyperliquid? Oh, that's what it is? I'm not a big fan of this. You're already down 8% though. Just a small bump up and I'm out. I mean, maybe you're going to get it, but this one looks strange to me because your MACD is basically saying, hey, you have major bullish divergence happening on the selling pressure on the 15 minutes. So you'd expect it to go up. You've been putting in higher lows this whole time, but now you're just kind of like dancing right on top of it. That's not a very good look. Good evening, bro. Can you check Pungy Penguin? Well, sure. We'll check it out. Pudgy Penguin. Okay, we'll look at it. So yeah, Vine's a tough one. Your bullish case scenario, I'm going to mark it as something a lot less than what you'd probably think, but maybe, just maybe, you get up to 38,209. Just maybe. This is hopes and dreams right here. A 40% move to the upside. However, if you start falling, this could get real nasty real quick. You could see this thing fall all the way down 77%. So if you lose 25,047, I'm thinking cut your losses. It's going down and you don't know where it's going to stop. You're hoping that you find support at 1726. You're hoping that you find support at 12933. But remember what it just recently did. It went straight up and it basically double topped. I mean, slightly higher, and then you start pulling back. And now you're consolidating bearishly. You could continue to see these sell-offs just because people are taking profits after the massive gains. We're going to have to wait and see on it. Nah, got a tight stop loss. Very good. Very good. Yeah. This one doesn't look great. Does not look fantastic. All right. B Pro is next. B Pro Network. Let's check you out. Oh boy. 4-hour. What do you got for me? 4-hour. What do you got? There's a possibility of upside. I'm saying a possibility because I really don't know. I don't know. This looks bear flaggish to me. I'm not a fan of that. Not a fan of that one bit. So you did make a slightly higher low. You could be changing your trend. Let's go out to the daily. Yikes. How in the world did you get any green bars? How? Unbelievable. What? This MACD don't make no sense. Did we do Sol? No, not yet. Nigel, hello there. How you doing? I don't know if it's Nigel, but I felt like it was. Sorry if I messed up your name. Hello there. No, we haven't gotten to Sol yet. We will. We got 2 more requests and then Sol. And considering if you're requesting it, it's going to be the exact same order, sadly. Anyways, I would expect it to hold support here because of these wicks. However, the buying pressure was just so bad. Such bad buying pressure. It's like, we're going up. No, we're not. Oof. Do we have anything below it? We have nothing below us. Oh, no. We wicked below it several times. You got my name right. How about that bounce on ILV? I don't know. I didn't check the chart yet. I'll have to check it. But hey, if it bounced, great. Love it. Any fellow block lord investors here? Says Bleakheart. So this was your absolute lowest level of support. You wicked below it twice. You're staying above it. So I'm going to look at this as maybe you're about to get, like the bearish golden retrace. Maybe. And that's as long as the market stays looking funky fresh. So let's just say you get a nice move to the upside. You're looking for 118% on a golden retrace and a test of the demand line. So this is what I'm seeing. Vet, please, bro. I got you. Arav. Arav or Arav? I'm not sure. Alright, so that's what I'm seeing out of B Pro right now. It's just, man, it's sending me so many mixed messages right now. I'm thinking it's going to go up because you're at like your lowest levels of support ever with a nice little Adam and Eve double bottom going. So I'm going to say 118% upside. But this thing has to hold out all the way till Sunday. So don't expect this thing to start taking off like tomorrow. But it could. Just don't expect it. Alright, moving along. Let's go ahead and check out Sushi. Sushi. It is so gosh darn close to support. It is so close. Oh my, and you're bearishly backtesting previous support? Oh no. That's a goddamn shame. I've been waiting for Sushi to like finally make it up all the way up here for the longest time, but no. No love for Sushi. God, at least it's broken out, I guess, but geez, looks like you're going to come down to 98 cents. It really looks like you're going to come down to 98 cents. That 4-hour time frame, you're like, if we had the stochastic up, you're at the top of your stochastic and it would want to reset. You are currently finding a lot of resistance just underneath former support. This is set up kind of amazingly for a short. So yeah, this not looking fantastic at the moment. You could very well see this thing fall down 20 to even 23% because you have a demand line sitting down there as well. So it's like, damn. Sushi's not looking the best, but if you do happen to get that move to the upside, if you do, you'd be looking at it from all the way down here, and you could see this thing rally up like crazy, all the way up to $4.79. That's your bullish case. But it looks like they're going to screw over the buyers just one more time. That's what it's kind of looking like. Oh, I remember B Pro. It was the coin where I lost your first 1K in. Still have no idea what it does or what its point is. That's fair. That's fair. Shamil, I think is how you say it. Welcome in. Thank you so much for the sub. If you could, just check out the description down below. Join the free Discord. It is free. It's a great place to be where I post everything. Yeah, that's my sales pitch for that. So yeah, Sushi right now, I'm seeing downside potential, but if it starts going up, it's going to go up 285%. The only problem is you're going to have to hit a support, make a higher low, start doing all the stuff in the things. It's going to take some time. It's going to take some time. Well, that's too bad. Anyways, moving along, we got Pudgy Penguin. Pudgy Penguin. So it's just Peng? Oh, Jesus. Hold on. What is this thing? Hold on. It's Peng. Pudgy Peng. That's so weird. So this is Pudgy Penguins. You're falling. I don't know what else to tell you, Milk. It's just going down. Nah, you did. Let's go! Sorry, I'm excited. I'm excited. I did. Well said, brother. It's going down. It's just Milk. I'm sorry. I can't really give you much else. It has done literally nothing but fall. You fell. You tried to fall further. That's damn. I don't even have a target for this. It's just down. Bad. This thing's more down bad than a high school kid who doesn't know how to talk to girls. Jeez. It's all bad. It's all bad. I don't have much to say about this. I'm sorry. They had an NFT release today, I think. Really? They had an NFT release. Okay. I don't think it went very well. If this is the bottom, maybe I don't know. Maybe it's the bottom. I'm gonna do my best here. I'm gonna do my best. You're in a downtrend. If this is the bottom, you're gonna need a breakout. You're gonna need a back test, and then you're gonna need to see higher prices. Toshi coin, please, sir. Got you. Cam Cruiser. Gotcha. Toshi. Okay, so let's just look at it from the positive side of maybe people care about this thing. It could jump up 105%. Maybe. You're in that oversold territory. You just entered it. It's just, hopefully people care about it. There is technical bullish divergence on the 4 hour. Maybe you catch a bounce. Nice. Let's see about the 1 hour. Yeah, that looks. Yeah, technical bullish divergence on the 1 hour. So maybe you're catching a bounce. Just maybe. The alt season started. George, no. Not at all. What? The alt season has been. The alts have been getting killed. They're trying to come back up for some air. They've just been dying. So considering you're getting bullish divergence now, I would look toward this golden retrace first. Maybe you end up moving up about 50%. Just maybe. So that is your hopeful thing that it might be going up, but you still can't buy in because you have not put in a higher low yet. So if you're trying to buy into this thing, you need to have a higher low as well as a higher high. Okay? Until that happens, I wouldn't touch this. Personally, I wouldn't do that. You can do whatever you feel like, because this is never financial advice. Bitcoin's ripping? Right, Rich. Right. I can tell from the whole market going green. Alright, moving on. Sol breaking out right now. Breaking out. Yeah, so Solana is kind of perfectly set up for massive upside. 375 is the target. ILV bull. Yes. All right, so right now on Solana, you do still have room to run to the upside. You have a ton of room on the 4 hour. Holy crap. Bull flag on the 15 minute. Okay. Be careful with that, Rich. You don't have a back test. So your stop loss should definitely be below 220. Be careful with that. So yeah, Solana does look great. It could be moving all the way up to $375. You're currently on a breakout. 4 hour looks good. Your 1 hour looks like it could consolidate a little bit. Your 15-minute probably is screaming at you. Yep, you're at overbought territory. This is what I mean by be patient, Rich. Gotta wait for that 15-minute to reset. You are way too high in relative strength. So yeah, there's that. Anyways, maybe tomorrow it's ready to run. Maybe. CRO. But also remember, futures contracts ends on Friday. We could see some weird volatility. Be careful out there. Alright, CRO. CRO. I don't like how it's sitting in no man's land, and you broke bearishly out of this little diamond pattern. That's not a good look. Your nearest support right now is sitting below you at 10 cents for CRO. There's not much in between there. You got this weird trading section here that I guess they're trying to say, hey, it's major support, which, okay, sure, why not? Normally it goes lower than this section right here. Normally it's much lower. So I would be very cautious about CRO right now. Yes, it could start rallying to the upside, but I would feel way more comfortable down here at 10 cents. If you're sitting on top of support, that is what you want to see. The fact that you did get a breakout is fantastic. However, you don't even have bullish divergence on the daily yet, so if it does start rallying up, you might just find yourself finding a ton of resistance at 15.5. Thoughts on checks? Are you talking about the stock? We'll check it out. So, right now you're sitting in the land of no man. Too bad. But you did have a falling wedge. This is a very interesting setup here. Because it's in no man's land, I would still look for a lower price at least one more time just to screw over the traders. That's what I'd be looking for, personally. No bullish divergence to speak of. That is too bad. Oh, hold on. Wait a minute. Hold the phone here. Whoa. Maybe I jumped the gun. Whoa. That's so subtle. That is so subtle. Oh my god. Are we serious? You have hidden bullish divergence on CRO? Wow. Not stock. Checks the crypto. Okay, I got you. Yeah, so surprisingly, you have hidden bullish divergence on CRO on the daily. Let's check out your 4 hour. That's shocking. You don't see it on the 4 hour at all. It's just trying to move up. We'll wait and see what happens, but yeah, surprising on the daily, you do have hidden bullish divergence. That is a shocker. I wasn't expecting to see that. So to the upside, you could see this thing rally up kind of crazily. I'll go right here, right there. We could see a 57% move going up to 19,267. That is your bullish case right now. Your bearish case is to come down to 10 cents. I'm going to leave both of these up there. You can make your own decision on this. I personally would not try and trade this because it weirds me out. I don't like that you're so far in between support and resistance. I don't like that. But yeah, that's CRO. Let's check out Kava. I need to check out Kava anyway, so this works. Need to see how much longer I need to hold this piece of trash. Kava's doing a great job maintaining higher lows. Awesome. Doing a great job. Just, damn, is this thing boring. We are now waiting for a breakout. That is all we're waiting for. Just break on out, buddy. Once you do get that breakout, the initial move you're going to look for Kava, you're looking to get up anywhere between $1.03 and $1.19. So that move is pretty substantial because you are moving off of the lows after making bullish divergence on the weekly and setting your first higher low. What do I mean by that? I mean this is one to hold for the long term. You're in a massive falling wedge pattern on the weekly. You have hidden bullish divergence on the weekly, and you are now setting the very first higher low. So yeah, it's set up greatly, and you could see 182 to even as high as 1,114% upside. It'll take you a long time to perform that. So if you're patient, this could do some wonders. But we'll see how it goes. We will see. I've been holding this thing since 2023. December of 2023. I can't wait for it to get out of this range. Oh my. I really can't wait. Alright, IODEX is next. IODEX. Alright, checking it out on the week. Let's get rid of some of this. Yikes. Not on support. Bleakheart, what do the higher lows indicate? It indicates accumulation. So someone is buying. Someone is buying. Composite operator is out there gathering this token because they want higher prices. Inflation is about to hit. They're going to inflate the price. Alrighty. So you did have this downtrend. You have this level of support. You've almost made it to that level of support. It's so gosh darn close. IODEX, we were calling for the 17% downside after bearishly backtesting 33.63. Now it looks like we are moseying our way down there. We just got a death cross on the daily as well. So we are just waiting to see if we touch support at 2797 or if we just start busting to the upside. As of right now, you still have not made a higher low, so it's not worth buying just yet. The main reason is because you could still fall down to 2053. It's still a possibility. You're not oversold on the daily. You're not oversold on the weekly. It's still a possibility. Your 4-hour does show accumulation is happening with bullish divergence, which is great. So you could very well start blasting to the upside, but we just don't know yet. And currently, I guess you could look at this as some form of wedge pattern. So you could look at it as a wedge. If you do get that breakout and backtest, this thing could have a nice little run to the upside. We'd be looking at something like this, 31% upside move. Can I check a stock? Cooler. Sure. Got you, Melanie. Got you. Cooler. So that is your bearish case. You might fall another 10.69%. Bullish case, you go up 31%. IODEX is in the middle of a consolidation range, so I would be looking for that breakout sometime in the next 3 days. We'll see how it goes. We'll see. I need to check in on my trade real quick. We're up 33% on the trade. Not a bad evening. All right, moving into Cooler Technology Group. I'm surprised with like the whole getting rid of immigrants thing. Nobody wanted to check out Tyson Foods. You guys are wild, considering they were like openly hiring illegals because they were getting subsidized for it. Anyways, checking out Cooler on the daily. Cooler is now backtesting that 50 simple moving average, looking beautiful. If you can maintain right above $1.94, your next move up, you're going to be looking for anywhere between $6.66 or $8.16. So Cooler looking damn good. I don't see much bearishness right now. If you do fall, you have support sitting at $1.14. I don't know if you're trading this on options or not, but could take a while to play out. It's a technology group thing. We'll see how it goes. But it looks fine for now. You were in a downtrend, you broke out, back tested support as support, showing the validity of this level, I would expect more upside, a continuation to the upside. That's just my expectation. Looking at the weekly, you are not overbought anymore, but you're not in the neutral territory either. So in your bearish case for this one, you might come back down to test that 200 weekly moving average, which is a 34% drop. So there you go. You got your bullish and your bearish case. But sitting on top of support for 3 weeks straight, and it survived the deep seek, I think it'll be okay. I think. Not 100% sure. I don't know when their earnings is. That's really the problem. I don't know when their earnings is. So, we shall see on Cooler. All right, Litecoin. LTC. Oh my gosh. Who said how low? Who said that? The fuck? Thing's up 8.9%. Oh my gosh. No problem, Melanie. Anytime. Yeah, this thing looks phenomenal. Who is talking bad about Litecoin right now? You're on a confirmed breakout. Are we serious? Who's saying shit about Litecoin? Down how low? What? Excuse me? Litecoin's target, and I'm being completely honest with you, $280. I don't think you guys realize 123%. There's like nothing in between. Nothing. Look at this shit. There's nothing in between. You come straight down, you go straight up. You come straight down. That ain't shit. What are you expecting? It's probably going straight up. We just got posts past the high from 25th. Is that higher high? What are you talking about? Oh, for BTC? No, maybe? I don't know. Can we look later? Yeah, we can check it out later. So Litecoin, yeah, pretty much. As long as you're staying above 118 at this point, you have 123% upside for Litecoin. Litecoin's looking pretty darn solid. Anybody wants to talk trash about Litecoin in these coming weeks, you're going to be not looking the smartest. Yeah, that's what we're going to say. Not looking the smartest. All right, Adam is next. Adam. Oh, boy. See, Adam's in a bad spot. It's in a bad spot. Adam is the prime example of they did everything for their community and nothing for themselves. That's what Adam is. Because Adam, if you guys don't realize, they're a layer 0, kind of like AVAX, but they came first. You want to know what Adam did? They didn't force other things to use their coin as any type of utility. So Adam is solely on its own. Gosh darn givers. The positive, though, you are in this beautiful falling wedge. I gotta give it to it. This is a gorgeous falling wedge. I like it. From being in the past, like, I would only trade wedges. I love this setup. I really do. I'd be looking for 29.87% upside all day. This thing looks really good. You already got your 3 touches at the bottom. You are now looking to break out. Plain and simple. Get the break, get the back test, and run. Thanks for Pudgy. Milk, I'm sorry I couldn't give you more insight on Pudgy. It just... there is no information outside of it was falling. Yeah, so this is what I see out of Adam. You're in the middle of a consolidation range. It could keep bouncing around in here for a while. I mean, it could stay in here all the way until like February 9th. So just keep that in mind. But as of right now, this is a very bullish pattern. And you could see tons of upside. Because if you do get that 29% move to the upside, hitting $7.88, you're likely to backtest $6.84 as support, and then look to get up to $10.03 to even $13.18. So it's looking pretty solid right now. Looking pretty solid. Not to mention, it would be a continuation to the upside, where you'd probably end up somewhere around here, in this range. Is that its all-time highs? Not even close. I need to chart out the rest of this thing. Holy crap. Sheesh. You're looking to get up to $20? Ooh. Ooh. Not bad. So yeah, it does look like Adam is about to try and do something. RSR is coming in next. RSR on a breakout and a confirmed back test. Hold the phone here. We have hidden. No, we have bullish divergence. Bullish divergence on the back test. This thing looks beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Maintaining the higher lows, even better. On your bearish case, you're going to come back down to 11501, but your bullish case is bullish AF. You're looking for 189% upside, going up to 38,274. RSR looking crazy. Absolutely crazy. Looks great, though. Looks great. See, this is what I'm talking about. I think February is about to be an extremely bullish month. Oh my, seller exhaustion on the MACD. Beautiful. I like seeing that. I like seeing the seller exhaustion. So yeah, RSR, real easy to put a stop loss just below your wicks here, around 10832. Just send it. Just send it. Come on, brother. All right. V-Chain Vet. Checking out the V-Chain. Oh, Vet looks beautiful too. What? Just retook 4 cents? Oh, gorgeous. Real simple place to put a stop loss right below these lows at 4128. And then you could see V-Chain rally straight on up to 11,729 or get as high as 13,458. Oh boy, does Vet look like it's about to have a little alt season rally. This looks really good. Might have to get myself some RSR, right? How long time Porky for RSR? There's no telling because I'm looking at the daily time frame for this. It could take weeks, could take months. Are you saying you want to look to scalp trade it? Because if you're trying to scalp trade, I need to zoom in to like the 1 hour. But you have to understand, like this. So let's talk about Vet for a second. From when it started on November 4th. Where it climaxed on its move up, it was December 3rd. This took an entire month. So your next move, at a minimum, you're looking at a month. So it's like, oh, this thing might get up here by the end of February. Maybe. Maybe the end of March. We don't know. So time frame is something I really do need to work on, because as soon as I can get time frame down, that's when I can start trading on options a lot more. What does scalp trade mean? It means you're in it for a very short period of time. Scalp trading means you're so let's look at V-Chain right now. Your daily looks absolutely amazing for upside. But if you drop into the 15-minute, you're like, oh, looks like we're going to pull back. So a scalp trade on V-Chain, you'd be looking for what is your pullback option if you do pull back. So what you would do is look for like that 50% retrace mainly. So if you do pull back, you're basically trying to take a scalp trade of, oh, maybe I can get 3% downside. So that would be a scalp trading idea. But in reality, you're still waiting for this to play out to the upside. So you're still looking for another 4.82% upside move based off this consolidation here. A swing trade? Oh, yeah. No, RSR, you're good for a swing trade right now. So you're looking for like a month or two. Something like that. Bro, I love seeing all these gamers try Ninja Gaiden and get to Master Ninja difficulty and meltdowns. How hard it is. Well, the Ninja Gaiden they got, it's like the hardest game that was ever made. It's so hard. It's okay. Eventually they'll figure out you're supposed to block and then jump at the same time. Eventually they'll figure it out. It just takes a while to figure out. I beat it when I was a kid. I swear. I thought my thumbs were going to start like bleeding before I figured out if I just block then jump. Son of a and I almost broke my controller. I was so mad. I was so mad. Playing Master Ninja right now? Hey, all these kids, they don't know what it's like playing on those terrible graphics and not understanding the mechanics. They just don't know what's up. So yeah, for VeChain, anybody want to jump into scalp right now, you're still waiting for this move to finish. So it's like, oh, it has 4.82% move, and then we're probably going to see it pull back a bit, maybe come all the way down to 4426. So you jump into a short, and then you get into a long. You know, it's just day trading. Bleak heart, that's all it is. When I say scalp trade, it just means short term. That's really all it is. If you're swing trading, you're in it for like days, weeks, even months. Kind of depends on the swing trader. But if you want to make the most money, swing trading is where it's at. Swing trading, you make the absolute most money doing it that way. Kevin Jones, thank you so much for the sub. How you doing today? Welcome in. Don't be afraid to go check out the description down below. Join the Discord. It's fully free. It's a great place to be. Anyways. That's what I see out of VeChain right now. Let's go check out Toshi. Anyway, you can do Filecoin. I think I can pull that off, Scott. I hope so. But we got Toshi first. There are moves and tactics that provide frames. Short windows of invincibility. Knowing those are necessary. A necessity? Really? I don't know if I ever actually learned those. Holy shit. Toshi did not stop. Oh my gosh. Toshi, why are you so strong? Alright, we're going to have to test Toshi for steroids. Toshi's out here fucking doing it. Adam, Eve, double bottom. Wow. I can't even believe I'm going to say this, but it looks like Toshi's going up. Holy crap. More price discovery? Is that what we're about to see for Toshi? Holy shit. Alright, bullish case scenario. If this thing does start going, shit. You can see anywhere between 96 and 139% upside. This is absolutely insane if it does do it. But the possibility is there. It has the momentum. It has the strength. It has the hair color. It just might do it, Cotton. Just might do it. 2 hits. Kill you. Yeah, it matters. Yeah, that's true. It does matter. It really does matter. So yeah, Toshi looking ultra powerful. Let's check the daily. Are you still overbought? So here's where I'm very reluctant to say that's gonna happen. I'm very reluctant because look at how high you are. The only thing I can say though, you do not, and I repeat, do not have bearish divergence. So it's just overbought. It could stay overbought for weeks. Bullish case, you could see that. Oh shit. And if I look at it on the daily, I'm completely wrong with the level. Holy crap, slightly higher. Alright, so there's your bullish case. 147% upside. Your bearish case, you're going to come down and touch some support. Bearish case, 48% downside. We're going to have to wait and see what this thing does, but it could possibly have a really big run. Could possibly do it. Your 4 hours says you can. That's insane. As soon as you see a lower high, though, you might want to bail out. Just probably want to bail out. If you see a lower high. If you see something like it just stalls out right here at 165559. If you stall out in that 16 level, run for the hills. You're about to fall terribly. It's going to be awful. So yeah, that's what I see out of this thing. I wouldn't expect it to have a really crazy run to the upside. I would expect more consolidation down, considering what you recently did. But there's your bullish and your bearish case. Like, I'm bullish on it, but I'm not that bullish. I'm looking for downside, honestly. Personally speaking, I would be looking for downside. You guys could know more about the project than I do, but geez, that's wild that it's even a possibility of another huge run like that. Reminds me of XCN. All right, let's check out ILV. ILV. Yikes. What bounce? What bounce? Oh no. We're in the middle of nowhere. Lowest price ever. Massive bullish divergence. Beautiful. And, oh boy. Oh. ILV, we're hoping for a bounce. We're hoping. We're hopeful. You do not currently have bullish divergence at all. Looks like you have seller exhaustion though. That's positive. Let's give you the benefit of the doubt. Maybe you stop falling completely. Maybe you start going to the upside. Just maybe. You got a couple different things to look at. You could look at this right here, where the breakout would lead toward your 50% retrace. Oh. So, that's what I'm seeing out of this. Likely to see that 60% retrace once you break out. That is a very likely scenario. Maybe the sell pressure is over. Maybe you're ready to start seeing upside. Let's see if on the 4 hour you have anything. 4 hour. Just accumulation. Just accumulation. So yeah, let's see what happens on ILV. I would be expecting this thing to catch another bounce, get some bids, go on up to that 50% retrace, sitting at $49.86. I would actually be expecting that, because you are literally at all-time lows. Very easy to put a stop loss right at 27.78. Very easy. So throw that stop loss in there and see if you get the 60%. Maybe you even go up as high as $53. Maybe. That's what I see out of ILV. Let's go ahead and check out checks. Checks. I've been here before. I don't recall ever being here. Interesting. Interesting. Chain link. All right, Albert. You don't gotta yell at me, bro. Damn. Just out here trying to do some TA. Shit. That's an extremely bullish candle on the new day for checks. That is extremely bullish. What the heck happened? Weird. Yeah, this downtrend, you broke out. I guess this was your attempt at a back test. Now you're just shooting up. That is insane. But this is also giving us an idea of where checks could go. Okay. All right, so checks. If you do continue pushing to the upside like this suddenly, you could see it mosey on up. 138% in the closer term here. You would be looking at 44%. Those are your two bullish cases. Let's check your 4 hours, see if you're overbought. You're not overbought yet. You're just now retaking all of your moving averages. That looks good. Let's check your 1 hour. 1 hour's overbought. Wait for, if you're not already in the trade, wait for this thing to pull back a little bit. See what you find as support. Because you did put a slightly higher low, and then you just shot up like a cannon. Wait for this thing to consolidate down, bring this relative strength at least back into neutral territory before trying to jump into a brand new trade on this thing. Remember, you are in no man's land right now. There is resistance overhead, there's support down below. You have not touched either one. So let's wait on this one if you're not already in it. But who knows, maybe you're just going to test a demand line and then ride off into the sunset into Gainesville. That's what I'd be looking for, is a nice back test. If you hold support on the demand line, it will be a great opportunity for massive upside potential. But yeah, that's what I see out of this right now. Damn, that was a deep retrace. Holy shit. That was really deep. All right, last one of the night. No, we got two. Two more. So first one's FIL. DT, yep. All right, so I was calling for this move to the downside. We have not made it. We stopped short. However, looks like we could be setting up for another push down. One more leg down. Powell saying banks are set perfectly to custody crypto. Yeah, he said that during the FOMC meeting, and everybody was like, "Oh shit, that's super bullish." Outside of all the other nonsense that was spoken. Wow, he said it though. It was an interesting little FOMC. Very interesting to me. So FIL, I would look at this as bearish consolidation because you still have yet to break the high. So I would still looking for this test down here at $4.13. We bullish or bearish? Altcoin Academy, we are cautiously optimistic as we close the month. Just saw it on YouTube vid. Oh, I got you. So as of right now, I'm actually pretty bullish on most projects for a nice bounce to the upside. But still, things like Filecoin here, where you're not touching support, I'm not bullish on those. I'm go touch some support, damn it. You're right there. Go touch it. Doesn't make any sense that you're not gonna touch it. So Filecoin, I'm waiting for that last leg down here. Another 11% downside would be really nice. Even if we break out to the upside, I'm still looking for 413 to touch. I'm still looking for it because back tests are normal. They're extremely normal, especially after you've been in a downtrend since December 6th. Go touch some support, buddy. Go touch some support. It's going to be all right. It's going to be all right. Just give it a little pat right there on the head. If you can break out first, then touch support, even better. I don't care. Just go touch support. It's fine. Just go do it. So yeah, that's what I see out of Filecoin. I would expect 11.05% to the downside. Your 1 hour is okay with it. Your 15 minute, you're so high in the bullish control zone, I would be more confused if you broke out and ran to $5.47. But that is your bullish case. Bullish case, you're going to break out and you're going to see a 17.6% move to the upside, where shorts will get absolutely wrecked because nobody would see that coming. Nobody. But hey, we'll wait and see. We'll see. All right, last one of the night. We got Link. Chainlink. So Chainlink looking odd. It underperformed to the downside based off the bear flag here. You didn't even touch support. This is what I'm. This is weird. It's really weird. I don't like that. But looking at our 4 hour time frame here, looks like we just found a bunch of support off of our 200 simple moving average on the 4 hour. We are all up in between these moving averages, but we are set up for more upside. We could see this thing rally 40% to the upside, getting up to $34. What do you think the high could be for the bull cycle on Filecoin? Oh, I have no idea. All I know is institutions are starting to buy that thing. It could be crazy. It could literally turn into like a 5x above its previous all-time high. It could be absolutely ridiculous. Or it could just not hit its all-time high. I don't think that's the case, but we already have Grayscale offering it to their accredited investors. I made a video about that earlier today. It's absolutely insane. Damn, Porky, did you take some creatine before stream? It's been 2 hours. It's been an hour and 32 minutes. Creatine doesn't give you energy. Also, Aquata, I've streamed for 6 hours going over charts. We had 100 requests one night. I cover all the requests, guys. All of them. I don't leave you guys out. I'm here for the community, all right? Anyways, so yeah, Link, on your bullish case, you could see anywhere between like 40% to even seeing $43.97. We could see this thing go up 81%. But we're in this consolidation right now. If we were to break out, we got to do it soon. So I would first still be looking for going up to $34.09. Could see a 41% move. Sometime by next week, we could see the breakout. So Link does look really strong. And with them being behind RWA now, I think they're going to have a very good bull run. Very good. So, yeah, keep this on the radar. But right now, the 4 hour says we're about to see some upside. So let's see if it breaks out. Let's see if it does it. That is Link, everybody. That is the last request. We are all done for the day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the stream. I enjoyed it. Hopefully you did too. If you guys are new here, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also, join the Discord. It's free. You get to see all of the trade setups that I find. You get to see all the news that I find, as well as every time I post a video and when I go live. But also, everybody, remember, I will never message you first on Discord. I never will. I don't even accept people as friends on Discord. I just don't even look at that section. You guys can drop DMs to me, but I will never DM you. I will never email you. I will never do anything toward you. You will always have to initiate talking first. Remember that. All right? Thanks so much, Porky. You're the best, dude. None cover every request, especially with a sense of humor. Well, I'm not all them. And also, I'm a small streamer. I'm a little fry. But hopefully one day we do get plenty of people in here. It would be cool to get like up to 1,000 viewers, and then all of a sudden it's like, oh, 8,000 people are asking for the exact same chart. Cool. Would be really awesome, but we'll see how it goes. Hopefully this is the year. I want this year to break 10,000 subscribers, maybe even get to the 100,000. Who knows? But somehow I need to figure out this algorithm thing. It's really what I need to do. Anyways, the sooner I get to 100k subscribers, the sooner I can start my new endeavor. I want to go pro in golf. I don't even golf right now. It'll be a fun little journey. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna get on out of here. Hopefully you guys have a great night. I'll see you tomorrow. Stay tuned for all the shorts, the videos, the random things. We have a brand new meme coin video that I popped up today. It's on Cardano. It's called Cock. That's all it's called. Absolutely crazy. Anyways, good night, everybody. Take it easy. I'll catch you later. Keep those stop losses tight. Deuces.